Hi up there guys, in this video I will show you how to copy TikTok profile URL. First guys, go on your profile section by tapping on the last selection or the profile section. Then guys, what you need to do is just simply go click on edit profile, and here as you can see, after username you have on TikTok Superman or the name of your account, which is selected by a copy changing section. Go click on that one or click on the third selection just by typing in, and here as you can see the link has been copied. What you need to do is just simply for example go in the inbox and send to this person just by go paste. And here as you can see guys, this is the link that we have copied in our profile section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.